so as you guys know, we've been fixing up the Kawasaki Mule here, so what better thing to do in the dead of winter than work on it. It's about 20 some degrees out, but it's nice and sunny, so take use of this great winter weather here today. Gonna have to put some air in the tire, and the extra special thing we're gonna do today is we've got a seat cover that was sent by StarknightMT. We're gonna check it out and put it on. All right, this here is a Kawasaki Mule 3010. Says it's a diesel, but it's not a diesel. This is a Predator swapped. It's got a Predator 420 engine in it. There we go. When you gotta sit on something that looks like that, that ain't gonna be any fun. So let's try and fix that problem. Okay, let's see if this thing starts. So as you can see, our seat's looking pretty ripped and junky.
Oh, that's an ant.
That's where that went. Alright guys, so as we said earlier, we got this seat cover sent to us by StarknightMT. It's a camouflage seat cover. As you can see, we need it. This thing's all falling apart. Let's go ahead and put this thing on and see how much of a difference it makes. Comes in a little baggie here. Looks like we got the camouflage. We got the camouflage cover. Got some instructions. This is multiple pieces. Probably looking at the backrest plus the seat then. That's good, because they both need to be covered. All right. Throw that down there. Let's see what we got. Looking pretty simple so far. Fold this one. It's got a nice name right there, StarknightMT. I'll have a link in the description. You can check them out. They've got other cool things too, not just seat covers. I see they got like windshields. They got sound bars. They got side windows, some back windows for certain UTVs. They got all kinds of cool stuff. Check them out.
We need side windows.
Right. This is probably the back part. Let's get doing this. These instructions here. Oh yes, we got a nice sticker.
The sticker on the
We'll
side.
put that somewhere safe. Put that on your front windshield of your daily driver. All right, it says before installation, refer to the sewn label. All right, so looks like we got a back and a bottom. Okay, let's get to this.
That's a back seam layout, is this?
All right, we did a quick brief look at the instructions. I don't think they seem too difficult. We're going to give it a try and see how hard it is for someone who actually didn't read the real instructions like most people do. Put these back here by the pumpkins and let's get figuring this thing out. Okay, here we go. We got the seat part. Let's slipping it on one end. Pulling it over to the other end. It's a little tight to get it over, but that's a good thing because you don't want it coming off when you're going 6 miles an hour down the field.
10.
10, okay. Whoops. Our seat fell off. Here comes our seat. Oh. It's too bad our seat's not attached properly.
Yeah.
That'd make it a little bit easier. All right, we need that side to come up a little.
Oh yeah, this side's way.
Yeah.
Oh. There.
Like that, yeah. Okay, now. Wait.
Wow, that's a nice seat cover.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay, now there's some Velcro here.
It kind of reach.
Oh yeah, reaches just fine.
Now we got somehow.
Okay, bottom's on. Now let's try the back.
The trickiest part.
Okay, we got more Velcro here. So the question is, can we do this without removing the back? Let's hope so. Let's hope we don't have to get tools out. That'd be awesome. Okay, go ahead and stretch your side over. Yeah, just put the, yep, you got it. Put that through the hole here. Now the hard part, stretching it. There we go. All right, you got to tuck it under. It's starting to look good, but we got to lift the bed. Oh, whoops, it's full of pumpkins. What's in here?
I think it's like dried out stuff. Dried out seal.
It's heavy. Okay, count 3. 1, 2, 3.
The hitch. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so soft. Soft and fuzzy.
Oh,
All right,
like
thank
it.
you, StarknightMT, and everybody. All right, here we are, guys. Next day, got some freezing rain and snow. Let's check out how this seat cover is holding up here. This is a perfect opportunity to see the seat cover from StarknightMT's. Snowproof, waterproof, and stays dry. There we go. So we got some snow on it here. Let's go ahead and brush it off and see what it's like. not bad for freezing rain. It's dry. Let's go ahead and have a seat on it. Yeah, it's cold out here, but I'm not getting wetness coming through my pants. So make sure you check out StarknightMT's website. They run specials from time to time. Right now they have a Christmas special going on. And if you're watching this after Christmas time, they'll probably have another special at some point. So check it out. This is much better than how it used to be with those tears and rips in the seat. Used to come out here and that snow and rain, that would soak right into the foam and you'd be sitting on the foam. Yeah, you'd be getting a wet butt. But this seat cover protects it and doesn't absorb the water. So if you look close here at the snow, it's not absorbing in, it's just sitting on the top. Yeah, we used to have to come out here, get a wet butt when we sit down after it rained or after it snowed. But now with this seat cover, you just brush it off and you're good to go. No wetness. That stuff just brushes right off. Keep watching for more progress on our Kawasaki Mule 3010, which has a Predator swapped engine in it. We're still working on it. More to come. It's winter here in Wisconsin. Got all kinds of projects going on. We got some mini excavators we just bought that we're trying to sell. Sell one of them, keep one of them. We're gonna try flipping some excavators, try and make some cash that way. Oh, sometimes that happens.